Thursday of next week in the office. I wanted to ask for a short reset on that, if we might.
How short are we talking about?
2 weeks, Judge.
Recall, reset, 2 weeks. All right. See, that's
Thank
why
you.
I call them, even though they're set for 10:30, because something can happen.
I appreciate
All
it. How do you send me the reset?
Patricia will take care of that.
Thank you so much, Judge. May I be excused.
Of course.
Thank
Have a good evening. Have a good day and a good weekend.
You as well, Judge. Take care.
599059, State versus Joseph Martinez, and that's Daniel de la Garza's attorney.
Good morning, Your Honor. Present. He's present with counsel. I'd like to confer with Mr. Edelman or Ms. Morgan if I could.
You are number one for conferring, sir. And
Thank
your
you, Your
client,
Honor.
you're telling me your client is here?
He is,
There
Your
he
Honor.
Thank
Red
you.
Flan.
We see him. 606016, State versus Ruben Medina, and that's David Garcia as attorney.
Good morning, Judge. He's present. I'm present. If you can put me on behind the prior attorney to confer with the state, that'd be great.
You'll be number two for conferring, David. Just hang in there.
Thank you, Judge.
Scheduled for 2:30, a motion to enter adjudication of guilt, 608312, State versus Albert Kabungambi, and that is Jocelyn Andrews. It's set for 2:30. I expect we don't have them here. Okay, scheduled for 1:30. 623886, State versus Ren. Let's see, Yungying Ren. I'm sure I'm butchering that. And that's Stacy Krause's attorney. All right, we'll recall at 1:30. 624678, State versus Veronica Gutierrez, and that's Catherine Valenzuela. I don't know if she's here.
We're present, Your Honor.
I know you are. Thank you for trying to help me a while ago.
I
What do you want to do, Madam Kathy?
conferred with Ms. Morgan yesterday. It's regarding blood discovery, so we're asking for a 30-day reset.
Reset 30. You got it.
Thank you, Your Honor. May we be
Is
excused?
this all you got for today?
This is all.
All right, then you're excused. Have a good weekend, Kathy.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Ms. Gutierrez. 625377. Let's see. All right, we have Mark Salmon. He's not here. Adam Cobbs, are you here?
I am present, Your Honor. Mr. Salmon is in custody. He has 4 cases with you. At the bottom of page 2, it does show that he's in jail. He also has a felony out of the 187th, Your Honor. That is still pending. I anticipate all or some of your cases will be resolved with any resolution in the 187th.
Okie dokie.
He is in custody, Your
About
Honor.
how much time do we need? About 60 days? Let
I
the
would
dust
come in-
settle?
If the court would allow me 60 days, please.
That's what I'm gonna do, Adam. We're gonna reset 60 days, felonies pending. Have a good weekend. You're excused unless you have something else.
I believe that's all I have, Your Honor. Thank you. Have a good weekend.
You too. 636527, State versus Ricky Poole, and that's James Hunt.
Your Honor, I substituted in. I'm Marquise Kirkwood, Your Honor. Mr. Poole is present. He's here in my office. He's also on Zoom. And I just got retained on the case. I'm asking for short continuance. I received the state's evidence, I believe, day before yesterday, and I reviewed it. I just need time to talk to my client, and I also like to confer with the DA.
Your Honor, Mr.
Mark-
Kirkwood requested a continuance, but I think he means a reset.
That's at 100%.
All right. You are number 3 for conferring. It shouldn't take hardly any time to get to you.
Yes, Your Honor. Do we go to breakout rooms, Judge, or
You and your client, or what?
no, with the DA?
Yes, of course. That's the way you handle it.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
But you'll be number 3 though, and as soon as you're available, or as soon as we're available, we'll put you on.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
You're welcome. 650379, State versus Selene Hernandez, and that is Marisa Ayon.
I'm present, Judge. I do not see Miss Hernandez here yet. I will try giving her a call to see if I can get a hold of her.
I'm gonna mark her absent for right now. And if she shows up, please report that to us. Are you gonna want to confer or anything if she shows up?
Yes, Judge. If she shows up, I'll confer with the state.
Alrighty, scheduled for 10 a.m.
Thank you, Judge.
653875, State versus Joshua Garafola.
Yes,
And that is Jesse Sanchez.
Yes, Judge, I'm present. He should be logged in or trying to log in. That should be a plea. I just need to confer with the DA to confirm.
Okay, you're scheduled for 10 o'clock, so right now it's a little early, but I always make it a point to call him. So stick around.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
He said he wanted to confer with the state.
Are you going to be conferring with the state in the meantime, or you already have your deal complete, paperwork and everything?
I just need to confer with him since we were trying a different avenue, just to double check and make sure there's no problems.
Very good. You're on the list.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
656064, State versus Leroy Pesina, and that's Ivan Barrera.
Morning, Your Honor. I'm present. My client is present too on Zoom. He's under LG Pesina.
Is he there? You see him?
Yes, sir.
All right, very good. What are you gonna do this morning?
I'd like to confer, Your Honor.
You're on the list for conferring.
Thank you, Judge.
656801, State versus Daniel Creedon, and that is Charles Sierra. A deafening roar of silence. Daniel Creedon, marked absent. Charles Sierra, attorney, no answer. 657537, State versus Ralph Resendez, and that is Tanya Rivera. Tanya Rivera.
For client. We have the sentence in the courtroom, Judge. He's in a wheelchair.
Yes, Your Honor, I am here. Good morning. I apologize. I'm having some technical difficulties this morning, but I am here, and I believe Mr. Resendez is in the courtroom.
Okay.
Technical difficulties? Surely you guess. I've had more than my share this morning myself. So you said that Ralph Resendez is in the courtroom?
I believe so, Your Honor.
Thelma?
Yes, sir. He's here in the courtroom.
There you go. Courtroom. All right. And Ms. Rivera, what are your intentions for this morning?
Judge, I would like, yes, I would like to confer with the state. We reset it 2 weeks ago for one last reset for the state to contact the complaining witness.
All right, you're on the list for conferring.
Thank you.
658141, State versus Monica Forrester, and this
Yes,
is
sir.
Sharon Thorne.
Yes, Your Honor, my client is present. We would like to confer with the state, Your Honor, so I need to get that line also.
You're on the list. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
I appreciate your help a moment ago trying to get me on
Yes,
board
sir.
here.
Computer difficulties, yep.
Yep.
Okay, well,
658.
stand by.
Yes, ma'am. 658390, State versus Natasha Chapa, and that's Michael Valachek.
Yes, I'm here, Judge, and Ms. Chapa is also on Zoom. I see her there. I'd like to confer with the state. I think this is our first setting, if I'm not mistaken.
Well, you can confer either way. I don't care if it's your 20th setting.
It's always good to talk, Judge.
Yes, sir. You're marked for conferring.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. 659301, State versus Ramon Lares, and that is Anthony Zamora.
Good morning, Judge. He's present. I'd like a 30-day setting, but I also want to confer.
Well, we'll get you to confer before we give you the reset.
Okay, Judge.
One add-on. 653-491, State versus Jose Jaime Reyes Jr. And that's Ed Piker. Edward Piker.
It's at 9:23, 9:30.
Okay, that's scheduled for 9:30. I missed that. All righty.
Judge, this is
Yeah.
Marisa Yon. I'm sorry to interrupt. I just wanted to let you know, my client Celine Hernandez is on the Zoom now. But I was gonna ask if we could get a reset. She's informed me she's still fighting through COVID.
Excuse me. Ms. Ayon, we've noted that your client,
Yes, sir.
Ms. Ayon, your client is noted as being present. You have your 30-day reset now, and you are excused.
Thank you, Judge. I'll get that information from Patty. All right, Ms.
Take
Hernandez.
care.
I
Have a
hope you
good
feel better.
weekend, Ms. Ayon.
Thank you. You too.
Anybody else need to check in that did not answer when I called the docket? Nobody. All right, then everybody will be in recess. We'll call you as we get to you.
Hello,
First
Judge.
on the Pardon me?
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, it's me, Hector Velez. I have appointment with you, but I don't hear my name.
What is your name, sir?
Hector Velez.
Hector Velez.
Yes, sir.
It doesn't look like you're scheduled for today, but let us look. We're gonna find out.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Since your name is not Natasha, we'll have to look for Hector Velez.
Yes.
Meantime, Mr. Edelman.
He's from yesterday's docket.
Yes, sir.
He's from yesterday's docket, first one. Yes, Mr. Velez.
Mr. Velez, Velez Lopez, Hector, you were supposed to be here yesterday.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I thought it was next month.
Okay, hold on a little bit. I'm gonna send some people out to confer and then I'll get back to you. Just